the world's best processor for thin and light laptops, our 11th gen Intel Core processor. The 11th gen Core processor is the best processor Intel has ever built. It's the best processor on the market, and it certainly rises above all the imitators. The 11th gen Intel Core processor brings together a new CPU that delivers industry-leading performance and frequencies up to 4.8 gigahertz. It's got a new integrated GPU designed on our Xe graphics architecture, industry-leading AI performance, as well as new integrated Thunderbolt 4, and the best connectivity with integrated Wi-Fi 6. And of course, it also includes all those deep software optimizations resulting from our work with leading developers all around the world. And all of that comes in super sleek, ultra thin and light designs like you see here from 6 of our top OEM partners, including Acer, Dell, HP, and Lenovo.
Welcome to the Intel Lab, the birthplace of the 11th generation Intel Core processor. So how did we make 11th gen Core happen? We did this by making 3 fundamental moves. First, we started from the ground up by redefining our 10 nanometer process for greater performance with our new SuperFin technology. Second, we optimized our existing high VT transistors to improve leakage, performance, and variation, and then used them for non-high frequency and leakage sensitive critical IPs. The third and final step we took was we completely redefined the metal stack. And you could easily say that the metal stack is the true secret sauce for Tiger Lake. We greatly improved the resistance of the lower to mid layers in vias, which are heavily utilized. We also added 2 additional high performance layers at the top to ensure we could reach peak frequencies with little voltage roll-off. We also dramatically enhanced the MemCap capabilities by greater than 4x to ensure a rapid and solid power delivery response for high CPU intensity workloads, resulting in greater than 20% CPU performance improvement. Up to 2x the graphics performance with new Xe graphics architecture, and 5x better AI performance with new DP4A instructions on the GPU. Pair those improvements with platform capabilities like nearly 3x faster and more reliable connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, and new Thunderbolt 4, which adds USB 4 compliance while also doubling the minimum requirements for data bandwidth and video over Thunderbolt 3. And we're the first mobile processor with PCIe Gen 4 integrated, enabling direct SSD attached with up to 32 gigabits per second. Tiger Lake also delivers display engine support for up to 4 4K displays. Tiger Lake supports multiple memory technologies for those most common today and those to come in future platforms.
Here you see 2 systems. This one is powered by AMD's 4800U processor. And this is our 11th gen Intel Core processor. Both systems are running light content creation by taking 100-year-old photos, colorizing them in Photoshop Elements, and upscaling using Topaz Gigapixel AI. In other words, providing fine detail by adding extra pixels, increasing the image quality from 0.3 megapixels to 5 megapixels. As you see, Intel is over 200% faster than AMD.
With today's launch of our 11th gen Core processor, I'm thrilled to announce the next edition of our Project Athena-based laptops. We could not do this alone. We're proud that more than 150 partners are now part of the program. This includes component vendors, ISVs, OS partners, ODMs, and OEMs. With the stunning performance of the 11th gen Intel Core processor and through the Project Athena program and industry-wide cooperation, we've delivered the best laptops available. The laptop evolved.
A lot of people don't realize that a laptop is my instrument.
With the 11th gen Intel Core powered devices, gamers can now game, stream, and record. Emmy's dad is using the latest laptop from the competition. She knows peak PC performance is the key to victory, and the 11th gen Intel Core processor delivers.
I'm thrilled to introduce Intel Evo. Our new look represents our role as a catalyst for technology that moves the world forward. We want our new brand to serve as an indicator to our customers and partners that they can count on Intel to deliver leadership and drive the industry forward.
And now that we